Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to form negative sentences and questions with used to. Let's begin with the key points. Forming negative sentences with used to. Forming questions with used to. Answering used to questions. Practice examples. Summary. Forming negative sentences with used to. In the previous video, we learned that used to is used to describe things we did in the past but no longer do. Now, to make a negative sentence with used to, we use didn't used to instead. The structure is subject, then didn't used to, then base verb. For example, I didn't used to drink coffee. She didn't used to have long hair. They didn't used to go to the gym. Notice that used to changes to used to after didn't. Forming questions with used to. Now, let's learn how to ask questions with used to. The structure is did, then subject, then used to, then base verb. For example, did you used to play soccer? Did she used to have short hair? Did they used to live in London? Just like in negatives, we use used to without d after did. Answering used to questions. Now let's practice answering questions using used to. Did you used to watch cartoons as a child? Yes, I used to watch cartoons every morning. Did your parents used to travel a lot? No, they didn't used to travel much. Did your best friend used to play a sport? Yes, he used to play basketball. Practice examples. Now, let's practice together. Did your brother used to play football? No, he didn't used to play sports. Did your family used to live in a different place? Yes, we used to live in a small town, but now we live in a city. Did your best friend used to like different music? No, she has always liked pop music. Did you used to have a different hobby? No, I have always enjoyed reading and writing. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Negative sentences have used to. I didn't used to like coffee before. Questions have used to. Did you used to play football? Only affirmative sentences have used to. I used to like vegetables. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.